Strength in numbers, the shirtless man's revolutions is more than just a slogan, it's a powerful movement. When men unite, bare chested and fearless, they shed not only their shirts but also their doubts, fears, and hesitations. This is a revolution of self assurance where every chest, muscles, and scare narrates a tale of resilience and belief in oneself. In this community, true strength goes beyond the weight you lift. It's about how much you inspire, uplift, and motivate those around you. Shirtless, those men embody genuine authenticity and fearless strength. Each repetition, each flex, and each smile conveys a vital message: you are not alone on his journey. This revolution is rooted in brotherhood, men standing together, encouraging each other to each new highlight, break broad barriers, and embrace their true potential. It's not about competitions, it's about collaboration. See you another next video, next topic. There, you are okay. Take care of yourself and bye bye.